Hi everyone, my name is Jada. Welcome to my channel. I am getting ready to work, but before I leave, I would like to show you the after or the result of my mini project at home. And if you're curious, this was the before. It was such a nice reading corner that I made for myself and also for my daughter. But this is the after, which I believe is now a cozy study room whenever we need to do our online classes. So if you'd like to know how I did it, stay tuned. My original plan was to make this like some sort of, a sitting area for me or for my daughter. But whenever my daughter does her online classes, I don't think she's able to focus because this place doesn't seem very comfortable for studying or is not conducive for learning. So I thought of turning this space into a study area. So in this area, we have our makeshift hanging closet, and right here I put some of my fragrances, and I have a little plant over there. This was my original plan and I honestly like it personally if it's just up to me. So I ordered this study table online. You don't need a knife. Yeah, there you go. Oh, it's gonna be a tough challenge for me, but let's see if I can do this.
유난히도 캄캄한 밤에 나 홀로 너를 생각하네. 이런 기분 설명할 수 없어. 원래 이맘쯤 너와의 여행을 생각했었는데 네가 좋아하던 와인과 선물을 준비했겠지. 기뻐할 너를 상상하며 근데 왜 이런 생각을 하면서 너를 추억만 하게 된 건지 어쩌다 너와 나 왜 이렇게 끝난 건지 너를 기억하면 난 가슴이 아파와 어쩌다 너와 나 이렇게 잊혀진다면 다시 사랑할 수 없을 것 같아. 그날의 나는 내게 너무 낯설었겠지. 내 맘과 다르게 너에게 상처를 줬으니 사랑한다는 말로도 부족했던 너에게 내가 너무 잘못한 것 같아. 너와 나의 다른 생각이 결국엔 우리를 서로 갈라서게 만들었어. 근데 왜 이런 얘기를 하게 된 건지 난 모르겠어.
So this is now the table. Just enough space for reading or studying, and right now I have my laptop over there for my online classes, and I also got this like a container for like all the like school supplies that we need, the glues and the erasers, okay, etc. My daughter uses a lot of erasers, so she needs like a separate container for that. And then these were actually some plant holders. Some of my plants died, so I decided to just recycle them, and I use them as pen holders and as well as, how do you call that, like colored pencil holders. I think they look pretty nice. And of course I have a little plant over there. This plant was like one of the babies of my old Sansevieria plant, and I'm so happy that they're still alive actually. And then this little corner over here, a family photo corner, and then my daughter has her little calendar over here. Actually, she wrote some things right here that I don't really know what about. it's her space, so it's up to her what she wants to do with that one. And of course, I have my daughter's books over here, her notebooks, and also my Korean books right here. So like I said, we are sharing this space. I have a little DIY lamp right here that is actually very pretty, and then I put this little cross. I made this myself, and I think this is super pretty. It just gives this space some like pop of light and color. So that's basically for the desk. And right under the desk there is this drawer for like all the other stuff, school supplies that my daughter and I need. And then right there she has her old English books, and this one is jewelry box that my friend gave to my daughter. So that's her space. It looks like there are a lot of things going on, but it's because I had to fit all of our books and study materials in here. Right underneath at the bottom are my daughter's storybooks. Actually, she doesn't read them anymore, so I am the one reading them when I have whenever I have some time. And then I have my English books right here, some of the remaining Y books that my daughter loves, a lot of other books and textbooks that I use for my classes, and other storybooks that my daughter also likes. Right over here are some other stuff, my daughter's ukulele. I couldn't find a place for this, so I decided to just put it right here on top of the books. So that's how it looks like. And this one is just a small part of my perfume collection, but it is currently summer in Korea and it's quite hot outside where my vanity is, because my vanity is quite full, so I couldn't put them inside the vanity, so I decided to just bring them here inside where they could be away from direct sunlight. And then I have my computer printer over here, and also my daughter's school bag, and also we've got some paper over here. This is my daughter's piggy bank, and some of my bags down there. When I'm not using them, I just put them down here. And this little corner over here is where I put my bag, or my work bag, the bag that I'm using at the moment. Unfortunately, I was not able to show you how I put this all together, including this bookshelf over here, because it actually took a really long time. But yeah, this is now the after, and I feel like it has turned out to be quite a cozy study area, especially for my daughter. And now whenever she needs to do some online classes, she can have her own space right here. This is basically the result of that mini project that I did. Personally, there are still quite a few things that I would like to do, and maybe like do some touch-ups for this space. We still have some space over here at the top, and I'm planning to hang some of my daughter's artwork over there, and I want her to feel comfortable here, just focus more on studying, drawing, whatever it is that she likes to do. So anyway, if you like watching this video, I hope that you give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, I hope that you consider subscribing for more fragrances, skincare, as well as lifestyle videos in the future. And if you have any recommendations or suggestions as to what videos you would like me to do next, please leave a comment down below. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.